we are talking today about lesson 9.1. Here's the homework that goes along with it. This unit starts polynomials. We're going to do all kinds of things with them. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. We're going to factor. We're going to start solving quadratics. It's a very important unit. A monomial is an expression that is a number, a variable, or a product of one or more variables. For example, a monomial, 5, negative 8x, 7x squared y. Those are monomials. They have one term. 1, 1, 1. Monomials. They're an integer, or it could be a decimal, a variable, or a product of one or more variables. I could also have x. That's a monomial. All right. A polynomial, you guys should be filling in your notes, can be one term or the sum or difference of two terms. For example, this is a polynomial. It's got multiple terms. It can be this: 7x squared plus 8x minus 10. That is a polynomial. More importantly, a trinomial. We'll learn about that in a second. 6x minus 10. Polynomial. A polynomial is written in standard form when the terms are placed in descending order from largest degree to smallest degree. Highest power down to lowest. Highest power down to lowest, standard form. Okay? Just to make sure, a monomial has one term. For example, 7x. That is a monomial. A binomial has two terms. 8x squared minus 10. That is a binomial. It's also a polynomial, but more specifically, a binomial. A bicycle has two wheels. And the last special one is a trinomial. A tricycle has three terms. So, x squared plus 5x minus 10. That is a trinomial. And notice, I am always going highest power down the lowest. More than three terms is just a polynomial. Poly means many. Okay. A degree of a monomial. Okay, a monomial is one term, is found by adding the exponents of each variable in one single term. Okay. So, if I want you to find the degree, what's the degree of this monomial? Degree of the variable. 1. Just the variables. What's the degree of this monomial? Yes, because there's a 1 there, so it's 8. What's the degree here? Are there any variables? 0. Because couldn't I write that if I wanted to? X to the 0 power? Because what's x to the 0 power? Isn't that 1? 15 times 1 is 15. It's 0. It's only the variable. And this is 3. Okay. A degree of a polynomial is found by locating the one term with the highest degree. Okay? So a monomial, you add up all the variables. A polynomial, you would add up the variables in each term, this one and this one separately, and then you pick the one that is highest. So what's the degree here? What's the degree of this monomial? 3. What's the degree here? So what's the degree of the polynomial? 3. you go by the highest one. What's the degree of this term? 5? No. 3 and 0. So what? It would be 5. What's the degree here? This will be what? 9, and so the degree is 1. Do you see the difference? All right. Now, degrees. If you've got a degree of 0, it is said to be a constant. Why is it a constant? Because a degree of 0 has no variable. It would just be a number, a constant. Linear would be to the first degree. Okay. Quadratic, second degree. Cubic is third, quartic is fourth, and anything above the fourth degree is just, like if I say 7, it would be 7th degree. 8 would be 8th degree. You would just say whatever the degree is, if it's above the fourth. So 7 would be 7, for example. There's no special name for anything above the fourth degree. Now, a monomial has 1 term. A binomial has 2. A trinomial has 3. A polynomial is really 4 plus. All right, now, write each polynomial in standard form, and then use the charts above to name it. So, standard form, highest power, so 6x squared minus 9x plus 7. There's standard form. Now, what's this? Second degree is called what? This is quadratic. 3 terms, trinomial. So that is a quadratic trinomial. Let's put this highest power down to lowest. So negative y cubed plus 3y minus 4. That is standard form. My highest degree is 3. So what is 3 called? Cubic. And it's got 3 terms, trinomial. Oh, Lord, the duck. This one, we need to combine like terms. We are going to combine like terms. What's 7v minus 11v? Negative 4v, and that goes first because we go highest power down to lowest, plus 8. So the first power is linear, and it is a binomial because it's got 2 terms. A linear binomial. Are you done with your tests? Okay, good. So you're watching this one. All right. We've done this. This is nothing new. All this is combining like terms. Okay? Adding and subtracting polynomials we do in 7th grade. Now it looks harder. We've got higher powers than 1. Remember, your answer always should be in standard form, highest down the lowest. So my highest power is n to the 4th. So n to the 4th minus n to the 4th. Isn't that 0? That's gone. Negative 2n plus 5n is 3n. Negative 1 plus 5 is plus 4. Done. Because this is 0, right? Right? Because it has a variable. So, if I wanted to name this, it would be a linear binomial. Here we go. 2x squared plus x squared is what? Are you guys joking with me? There's a 1 there. What's 2x raised plus 1 x-ray? 3x squared. Combine like terms. You do not change the variable. You add them just like you add regular numbers. Negative 4x minus 3x. Negative 7x. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, this is a quadratic trinomial. Now, when it is minus, you need to. Aren't we distributing a negative 1? So this will be 2x minus 13x squared plus 3 minus 2x squared minus 8x. Because you need to distribute that negative 1. You're subtracting the whole quantity. So I'm going to have negative 13x squared minus 2x squared is what? Negative 15x squared. 2x minus 8x is negative 6x. And then I just have a plus 3. This one, 14a cubed minus 12a plus 8. This is going to be minus 7a squared, what? Plus 8a minus 4. You need to subtract the entire second quantity. Combine like terms. 14a cubed. I do not have anything to add to that. I don't have anything to add to negative 7a squared. Then I've got negative 12a plus 8a is what? Negative 4a. 8 minus 4 is plus 4. Question.